Hi friends, welcome to me and Mom's World. Today it's me, the mom, with you. We will be making a healthy breakfast today. It's called broken wheat or dalia upma. Broken wheat upma is excellent source of fiber and should be included in your breakfast. Let's start. We'll take the main ingredient first. Salt will be as per your taste and turmeric is optional. 1 cup of fine-sized broken wheat dalia, 2 tablespoons of split chickpeas chana dal, 2 tablespoons of split white lentils that is urad dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seed rye, sprig of curry leaves, 3 pieces of green chili slitted, adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1/4 cup of French beans, 1/4 cup of green peas, 1/3 cup of carrot chopped, 1/4 cup capsicum chopped, 4 to 5 pieces of cashew nut and few raisins. We will first roast the broken wheat. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. We'll add 1 cup of broken wheat. Roast it on the low flame for 2 minutes. Roast it until you hear the cracking sounds. What is broken wheat dalia? Broken wheat is made by milling the whole raw wheat grain coarsely. The wheat is cleaned and husked and then processed to the required size. The nice aroma is coming. That means the broken wheat is roasted properly. It is a time to switch off the flame now. We'll transfer the roasted broken wheat to a bowl and keep it aside. Now we will start making the broken wheat upma. Add oil to the pan. The oil is hot. We'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds rye. Mustard seeds have started cracking. Add 2 tablespoons of urad dal now. Add 2 tablespoons of split chickpeas chana dal. Saute it nicely until it is roasted. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Saute it and add the slitted green chilies. Add the curry leaves. Add the chopped cashew nut and raisins. Those who like peanut, you can add peanut also into it. Saute it nicely. We will start adding all the fresh vegetables. Add 1/4 cup of chopped French beans. French beans are good source of vitamins, mineral and antioxidant. Add 1/3 cup of chopped onions. Add 1/4 cup of chopped capsicum. Capsicum is low in calorie but rich in vitamin A, C and E. Add 1/3 cup of chopped carrot. Carrot gives a crunchy taste, high nutritious and helps in improving eye health. Add 1/4 cup of green peas. Green peas is low in calorie, contains vitamins and minerals, high in fiber and protein. Just try out with your favorite veggies. You can also add potatoes and tomatoes if you like. Saute it nicely. I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric. It's optional. Turmeric gives a good color to upma. I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add as per your taste. Saute it all well. I will add 2.5 cup of water now, and if we need it, we'll add it later. Stir it well. We will taste the mixture. The salt should be on the higher side, keeping in mind that the broken wheat will also be added. Bring the water to the boiling point. Saute it well. Put the flame to the medium. Now we will add the broken wheat into the mixture. The broken wheat dalia is also referred as cracked wheat or sambar rava. Broken wheat is considered as highly nutritious as it does not undergo refining. Just an additional information on glossary of broken wheat or cracked wheat. Hindi we call it as dalia, Gujarati we call it as lapsi or fada gaon. Malayalam it is referred as godambu nurk. Telugu it is referred as gudmala rava. We will close the pan with the lid and cook for 3 minutes. As the upma is cooking for 3 minutes, we'll just see the health benefits of broken wheat upma. Broken wheat upma is healthier than the semolina or rava upma. It is also known as superfast diet. It is said that broken wheat is high in fiber, aids in managing diabetes. It contains iron, which overcomes the fatigues and anemia. Magnesium helps to maintain the normal heartbeats. It is also low in fat and carbohydrate. You can prepare this upma in pressure cooker directly. For the fine crust broken wheat, it requires 2 whistles, and for medium crust broken wheat, it requires 3 whistles on medium flame. The broken wheat upma is cooked and it has a hearty, warm and nice aroma. You can add more hot water to have your required consistency. The culinary use of broken wheats. We can prepare pancake, pulaus, several kheers and dessert. In South India, paisam kheer is made along with the coconut milk and jaggery. In Middle East country, tambola salad is made of broken wheat. Will do the plating can be served as it is without any side dish. This recipe is perfect those who wants to lose weight, diabetes and with high cholesterol. Can be served with coconut chutney and it tastes great with peanut chutney. I have tasted it. It is delight, grainy taste, slightly nutty and chewy. Thank you friends for watching this video, and I hope you all will try this healthy breakfast.